Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy, sweet and sticky barbecue salmon. Oh my goodness, so amazing. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, share the video if you find it helpful with your friends and family. Without further ado, let's make it. To get started, I am going to cut my salmon in half. We'll be making 2 servings of this salmon. Now, we're going to place it in this bowl right here. Now, it's time to marinate the salmon. I am going to start by adding ground black pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and next we'll be adding some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce. Now we'll be adding some dry pepper flakes, and I'll be using my favorite barbecue sauce ever, which is the sweet honey barbecue sauce. Now give it a quick mix until everything is well combined. You can also put this in a Ziploc bag if you want. I am just going to leave it in the bowl and cover it with saran wrap, just like that, and then we'll place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Ding ding ding, 30 minutes is over. We're going to cook this salmon, okay? I am going to add a skillet on the stove on medium-high heat. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter on there. Once it's nice and melted, we're going to place our salmon in there, okay? Just like that. We'll be cooking the salmon skin down, 7 minutes in total. The first 3 minutes, we're going to let it cook, then flip it over and let it cook for another 4 minutes, or until it's nice and firm and no longer pink. Okay, now it's time to flip it over. This right here is not burning, okay? It is the barbecue sauce caramelizing. You know, once heat get with sugar, that's what happened. Now what I want you to do is take the butter and baste the salmon with the butter, just like that. Now you're not done yet. Just flip over your salmon and we're going to brush some barbecue sauce all over that salmon, okay? And we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds so the barbecue sauce can kind of get hot a little bit. And basically, this is the recipe. It is nice and simple and easy. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know down below. If you're going to try it as well, let me know down below. Also, guys, please give the video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it, because that helps me a lot. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. And also, guys, this salmon is a must try. As I always say for most of my recipes, they're all must tries because they're so good. Trust and believe me when I tell you this one is, you gotta try this like ASAP. It's so good and so flaky, cooked to perfection. Ugh, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of this recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.